This 2023 Coachmen Nova 20C is a Class B RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 20 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, spare tire kit, refrigerator, awning, TV, LP detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, water heater, stovetop burner, oven, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-kitchen. This 2023 Coachmen Nova 20C is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.